This one is not coming out. Get out! Finally. Hello guys, welcome back to Little Readers. Today I was doing my summer task and I felt a little bit thirsty. So today we are gonna make a mango shake. It's my favorite drink. So are you gonna help me guys? Come on. These are the ingredients, things to make the mango shake. So now let's start making. Seed, mango, sugar, then ice and milk. This one is not coming out. Get out! Finally. Now let's put the ice in. Okay. This is a lot of ice. We're gonna put 3 scoops of ice. Okay, that was about to make a mess. We are done with 3 scoops now. Okay. Now let's put the sugar in. And it's gonna be 5 cubes. 5. I meant 5 scoops. 1 scoop. 2 scoop. Oh my, I'm making a mess, guys. 3 scoops. Let's do it faster. 4 scoops. Oh my, I'm making a mess. Oh my god. 5 scoops. I was making a lot of mess, guys. That has to be. Now let's put all the milk in. Should be careful. It's my first time making it. I think a lot is enough. So now let's blend this. Oh my god! Finally! We're gonna shake this. So now let's put this in the glass, guys, okay? Like this. Oh my god. Whoever helped your mother in the kitchen, tell me in the comments. Now let's check this. It's kind of great. I like it. It's kind of great. I like it. Yes, I like it. It's great. Like and subscribe if you want to watch more videos. Now what's your favorite drink? Tell me in the comments right now.